Unlike the various strains of animal flu that have emerged in the past, it's a flu that's spreading from human to human. And this past week, I called on Congress to increase the maximum size of various SBA loans so that more small business owners can set up shop and grow their operation.
Now, as you know, trade negotiations are always difficult between any country because although over time trade can increase prosperity for all, in the short term, various industries want to know how is this going to affect them.
What it really has to do with is the incentives that are operating in various communities. Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to obtain cooperation from various members of the United Nations.
Also discussed the various issues of Afghanistan, the issue of Iran, and the issue of the Israeli-Arab relations.
Our outcomes in terms of various measures of well-being don't rank us at the top. And there are some variations on this theme. Now, one of the most exciting areas of research to move forward as a result of this investment will be in applying what scientists have learned through the Human Genome Project to help us understand, prevent, and treat various forms of cancer, heart disease, and autism. If you combine these various savings that would affect both Part B and Part D, then we actually believe that over the long term, you would not see healthcare costs going up at 8% when your Social Security check's only going up 2 or 3%.
We have discussed the issues of common interest to our bilateral relations that are now today framed under the Strategic Framework Agreement and the various sectors, and all this is important for the broader relation of our two nations.
What I've directed my Department of Homeland Security, ATF, all our various agencies that have responsibilities in these areas to do is to ramp up our efforts at interdicting these southern flows.